guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my Miss to Mrs. box number 2. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Again, as with my first video, I will have the link down below for if you want to purchase your own box. All of the details about that. It's just basically a subscription if you are recently engaged and you want to treat yourself, or if you have someone in your life who has been recently engaged and you want to treat them. So that's what this is. I have opened this already because I have the patience of nothing. I am like so impatient. It's not funny, but it has a beautiful wrapping paper, she says as she whacks the camera, that says Miss to Mrs. on it. And I whacked it again. Sorry, I'm so noisy. And I throw the papers on the floor. Of course I did. It wouldn't be a Kelsey video if I didn't throw something on the floor. One sec. Okay, so first things first, we have our little spoiler card. I'm not going to show you guys that too much because, you know, that's what the video is here for. But then we do also have 2 little info cards here. The first one is wedding underwear. So depending on what type of neckline that you have, what type of bra you'll need to wear, that kind of a thing, just a general, you know, information that is important to know. And then you have a bridal veil guide, so you can kind of get an idea of what type of veil that you would want for your dress. So that's what this is. And then the first thing that I see in here right on the top is this cute little lace hat with this gorgeous pink cursive writing that says wifey on it. We are going to Disney World for our honeymoon. We booked the tickets just a couple of days ago, so I am very, very excited. I will definitely be rocking this at, not the parks, but we're also doing a monster truck slash like swamp, is that what it is? Swamp tour while we're there, so I will be rocking this on that day. It'll probably get dirty, but who cares? I'm just very excited to be a wifey. So there's that. Super cute, super comfy actually too. Anyway, and we also have a beautiful rhinestone pin that says bride, so if you wanted to pin something, you can do that. Let me take it out so you guys might be able to see it a little better. Open! Holy. So it just says bride. I don't know. See, if I get it closer, it gets fuzzier. So there's that. I also got these gorgeous little hair ties. They say Miss to Mrs. Love is in the hair, which is super cute. And then they just have a bunch of different patterns. We have one that says Miss to Mrs., one that says bride, just a white one with a diamond, a floral one, and then a like typical kind of hair tie, like the one that's on my wrist that I probably should have taken off for filming, but who cares. And it has a little pearl and a black bow on the other side. So we also have, and this is so cute, and I'm all about like ring trays, but this one is a heart shape and it says I said yes, which I freaking love. And the packaging on these is really good. I haven't opened the packaging on this because I've been waiting to show you guys. But this is the little tray. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then this is so cute, and I'll probably end up using it for wax melts because hello, it's me. But it is an ice cube tray in the shape of rings, which can also be used to make wax melts. So I might be doing that. But super cute, love that. I might also use it in the freezer at work. So we'll see. And then, of course, a koozie. I am all about that koozie life. I drink, I've quit caffeine, so, well, on and off again, but I'm off again. So I've been drinking caffeine-free Diet Dr. Pepper, and this koozie is just adorable. It's got the diamond there, and then on the back it says stressed, blessed, and wedding planning obsessed. So that's gonna be super cute. Use that all the time. And at the very bottom, my favorite item in this box is a bride tote. It's got these gorgeous gold handles, and it just has the gold script lettering that says, and there goes the lighting. I hate that it adjusts automatically. It's so annoying. But anyway, it says bride on it. Sorry that the lighting is getting all janky, but yeah. So super cute. It's a decent size. I would use it for if I'm going around wedding planning, that kind of thing. Anything that I need, really. So very excited about that. Anywho, that is everything that I got in my second Miss to Mrs. Subscription box. I have one more that I'm going to film tonight, and then I have my fourth one coming sometime this week, and I'm very excited because so far they've all been like stellar. So again, the link will be down below, and then all of these unboxings are going to be in my unboxing playlist, so I will go ahead and leave a link to that playlist down below as well, so you guys can go ahead and filter through those if you want to see what's in all of them. So yes, that is it. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, or whenever you are watching this, and until next time, stay batty.